Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. As we know nowadays, the YouTube giving us a lot of updates, and then they changing lot of things in the studio. So mostly people they are confusing how they can change their URL, channel URL. As we know, once we complete the first 100 subscriber, and then our channel become more than 30 days, so we can change, customize our URL channel. Nowadays mostly people they don't know where to find the second things where they can see the channel feature and status. That one also mostly people they cannot find. Then the third option is the customized channel. There are three these new updates, so I'm going to show you these three updates where to you can find in the YouTube studio, and then how you can change the custom URL, your channel URL. So all everything you can get in this video step by step. So before we start, go to the computer screen. I am requesting you, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic. Okay friends, so we are in the now computer screen. So first of all, we in the right corner click our channel, then click the YouTube studio. We go our YouTube studio, then after that we click the settings. Then second option, select the channel settings, then advanced settings. Then you, as you can see here, the manage YouTube account. Okay friends, so as we know before, in the old studio it's not like that. I show you before, old studio is like that, uploading, monetization, live stream, and then custom URL also here, the all everything like that. Now in the new changing, there are no more using of this all the things, so all they are showing like this. So the second option is where we can customize the our URL. So we close this one, press the settings, same we go channel, advanced settings, then manage the settings. As you can see here, the advanced settings in the left side in the last, click that one. So you can see here the our user ID, channel ID, and then custom URL. So if you complete ready the 100 subscriber, then your channel more than 30 days, you can claim here your customize your URL. So as you can see, my channel already customized my URL. So you can put also your name like that after you completing the 100 subscriber, and then your channel should hold 30 days. So that one is second update. Also you know already how we can customize URL. So now our third is our channel customization. So we copy our URL, then paste in the new tab. So as we know, normally before, the in old version, we normally come here and then customize our channel. But now if you click that one, it's directly redirect in the studio in the new option customization. So you can customize here your channel, you can branding, and then you can change your channel art, banner, and then video mark, watermark, all everything you can change here, and then you can put the feature video. Then you can put the additional your channels or friends channel if you want promote here, and then you can upload here the your playlist, and then most watched videos, all everything you can section you can put here. This one is customization channel. So hope you understand the things, the customized channel in the left side. If you open your studio, and then the second option customize URL, the you click the channel, and then advanced settings, then manage YouTube account, then advanced settings. So customize URL is here. If you want to see the your channel status and features also, it's clicking by feature eligibility. You can see here the your channel status. As you can see here the default features, requirements, and then your default features enable and verified phone number, all everything you can see in the this feature eligibility. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.